Hi, welcome along guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play an absolute rock classic by Three Dog Night. This came out in 1970 and it's called Mama Told Me Not to Come, and I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar based tutorials. I'd be very grateful if you did that for me. Thanks so much. And if you're all ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Three Dog Night, Mama Told Me Not to Come. First off, the song was written in the key of G, so let's start there. Key of G. So the chords we're going to need today are G major. G major played like that with the second, third and fourth fingers. There's a good reason for that, apart from the fact that this is the better way. I know this is going to be cause for discussion in my comments, but this is the better way of playing G. But for this song, we definitely need it this way because we need use of our first and fourth fingers. Okay, so G. Then we're going to be going for straight away. Again, another reason why this is the better G. It's easier to switch to a G7. There we go. One finger down, one off, one on. So there we are, G7. Then we're going to drop down to a C, and then we're going to drop down to a C minor. There we go, C minor. Okay, so G, G7, C, C minor. Okay, they're the chords we need. But like I said, the song was written in the key of G. We're going to move up to the key of G sharp, which is the key that Three Dog Night did it in. So capo on the first fret. Let's go with our G. Now, we're going to do this bit. This was originally done on the keyboard, but because this is a guitar video, I'm going to show you how to do it on the guitar. So what it is, we've got the chord of G, and we're going to be playing strings 3, 2, 1. Right below. Every now and again, you hit the top, the low G. Over and over again. Now, what happens is it doesn't just stay in the chord of G. We fluctuate between G chord and the G7. So that's moving between your little finger and your first finger. The pick stays the same. So we've got so it stays the same. The pick is da 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 down. Every now and again we hit the low G. So we go. Okay, so that is the riff. Hope you're following along good to that. So next we're going to go, we go to the strum part. So this is the chorus. So Mama Told. So we've got, we just got a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just a basic strum, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, G7, C, C minor. Now does sound better as a bar chord this, but if you want to do the open chord, which is, remember that you can only play the 4 strings. So let me show you that up to the camera. There we go. There's your C minor. So we've got G, G7, C, C minor. Better if you can bar that. That gives you the capability of playing all 6 strings. And then we've got the bit that goes. So we want. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're going to pick open the B string and the G string. So they play them together. Got it? Then we're going to be first finger, first fret of the B string, and second fret, third string, the G string, with our second fingers. We've got. Okay, we just follow that up. Go up in semitones, half steps. So open first, and then imagine you're playing a D but without the first finger. So that's second fret of the E string, third fret of the B string. So that's that, and then we got first finger of the B string and open E string. So we got. Then back up, as we did on the way up, so we got the second finger on the third fret of the B string, third finger on the fourth fret of the G string. So, and then back to where we started. Let me bring it up to the camera a bit more for you. So we got open B string and G string. Up in semitones, half steps, and then we go. That's the second fret and the third fret of the E string and B string. That's the E string open and our first finger on the first fret of the B string. That is the third fret of the B string, fourth fret of the G string. So we got, and then back to where we started, which is the B string, first fret, G string, second fret. So then we go back to the pick. There we have it. Mama Told Me Not to Come by the great Three Dog Night. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. Let me know also if there's any songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which helps me bring you more guitar based tutorials. A massive thanks to you who have liked and subscribed already. I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. So until we meet again in another video, take great care of yourselves. See you then. Take care, guys. Bye bye.